We are here today to the park for Mexan. So, first time we will play for the helicopter outdoor. Yes, okay. So, the new rules now, we have to wear masks. Not sure if it's moving well, but I think we're doing great. So the boys is excited. We will be in the middle so that if they can fly the helicopter will not be struggling. Go here, Izzat. So
Most of the time,
the time like 3 o'clock. What time now, Gemma? 3:15. So it's 3:15 p.m.
This is the best day for birthday.
It's a birthday for
Hey, birdies! He's sleeping.
sleeping.
This one topic. A special bird, this one, see?
Special bird.
We found this the first time I saw it.
So we're moving. Only few people will be here this time because after late it will be so cold. So once again, guys, this is Mia Park. If you see the museum in the other side,
Museum of
Arts Islamic, and this is the area. But a lot of people we want to play our helicopter. So but we have to go on the middle that less people because it will affect them. No, in the other side.
Because people will hit.
Yeah, they will hit.
They will touch.
It will hit them. And we are not yet good in controlling this.
Yeah, since we're
So we will try.
When we're trying it in the house, it's full.
Yeah, we try only indoor.
Because our house is That's why I'm scared to do it.
Yes,
Do it.
I will do it.
I think it will be
This helicopter around, it's not too much expensive. It's around maybe 120 riyal, right? Something like that, 120 riyal. So in dollars, it will be, how much it will be in dollars? It's 120, yeah, something like that. No, it's not.
We saw a
120
bird.
riyal, this one.
No, we saw a bird. You don't know.
Yeah,
this time.
around $30. So
We're going there.
$32. The helicopter, he has his own charger, and the remote
I'll show you the takeoff module.
has 4 batteries.
I
AAA.
wish if this one is have the tablet, a camera, so you can watch.
Yeah, that one is professional. So
Yeah,
what we
it's
have, it's
expensive.
only for a kid. So that's right. So you practice
Okay,
that.
we'll go
Later on,
We'll go there.
save money. You can buy the professional one.
We got this car also.
So there is
Hey
also,
guys, look.
yeah, he tried also his
We like the
outdoor car.
playground, but there's obstacle course on it.
Obstacle course. So
We'll start
let's
with
see,
our first spot
and
there.
we will see how
You got to
this
be careful
helicopter.
because
You have to be careful to my hand. I have
you
hot
got to be
water.
careful from this. Are we gonna go
Yeah.
there?
Yes, in the
I
middle.
need to be careful for this because it's dying here.
Yeah. So let's see first how it's looking. I will features to you
Hi,
how it's flying, and I don't know. We are not good and we are not professional yet to control this one.
It's not doing it.
So there's a lot of people. I think here it's enough. Jamal, here. What do you think?
Hi,
Okay.
Aslan. We'll stop there.
Let's try
Hi,
here.
Aslan. Hi, Aslan.
Uh,
Go, 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 go.
see this how the strongest
See?
flying here
Ah!
because of the air. Not
It will
big.
throw to people like,
Yeah.
like this.
It's difficult to fly
But
this.
the wind is less now.
So this is the helicopter what we are
This
trying.
is the time now we
So
fly the
this
airplane.
brand is the
I will-
remote.
Do you know in the other professional plane the TV is right here?
Yes. So we just
No, I don't try
features
to
to you.
control it.
Wait, okay. So this is the front. So What's guys? You didn't yet say hello for them.
Nice.
Say hello now.
Hello guys. Hello guys. Welcome to Boys Kids Toys TV. I'm Izzat. I'm Omar. Today we're here in Nia Park to test out the helicopter. Somebody should hold this. I don't like to try a plane.
You
But
don't like-
first,
Okay,
I wanna-
on. Try to on now.
on it.
On and bring it down. So let's see how it's trying.
No, wait until red.
Yeah. We have to control it here. So
Until red.
until stable. No.
No.
It's not. Wait. I have to stop him.
Experiment. Wait. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Fix the
Yeah. Okay.
driver.
Thank you. I think I do.
Okay.
See? Oh,
No, no, no.
it's not.
Wow. Wow.
So this is the playing.
So professional in the
Holding the control.
Wait, stop.
Is that Omar? Go out there.
I'll fix the road.
Okay, okay.
بعد عمر واحد يلا ماكر
Cannot.
Wait, wait.
until he move.
Okay. So Izzat will do the starting. Okay. Wait ba? Kuya, wait. Okay. Not yet, not yet.
Oh my God.
Why the power off? Off the Izzat who is controlling. Go bring it up, Izzat. Stop.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Now Izzat.
We're afraid.
Why you talk to them? Why you afraid?
What if I broke a propeller?
No problem. We can
What if
change.
I
There
hurt
is
some
preferred.
people?
No, nobody here. Okay, start. Okay, great. Great.
It will broke.
Let's see how he play a helicopter. Do it.
Ready?
Yeah, it's ready.
I can't.
He afraid. Okay.
يلا
Now I try again.
Stop. Stop.
You follow it?
yeah. But also you
What?
if you don't control.
Go follow that one. You follow it.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Follow. Follow.
يلا fly.
It's difficult to control
Can I
today.
remove my mask?
Okay. Okay, no problem. Nobody here.
Run.
Okay.
Be careful, there's someone there.
Okay. Izzat, look. Now fly.
No, wait.
It's okay. It's okay. What happened?
يلا.
Is that you're so far, Omar? They don't know yet how to control.
Put up slowly by slowly.
Okay.
Radar. Fly. Dead. Ayan, dead. It's left really
He will control later on.
I'm afraid.
Why you're afraid?
It's going there. I want to turn it properly. I wish it's summer again.
But it's the same because the air in Qatar is too much.
Big pigeon. Izzat.
Yala. Izzat.
Bro.
Go out there, Omar.
Come on, fly. Wait. Stop.
Still difficult to control.
Don't worry, I'll shoot this stick. Don't worry.
Izzat, stop. When it's go like that, stop.
Falcon, falcon, falcon.
What happened to our pilot? He go follow the falcon. You see? He's following the
Mission
falcon.
failed. I'm gonna shoot this if he feels scared. You're so chicken. What's wrong with you?
Continue, Izzat. It's
Let me see, I will know.
No, you don't know how to play.
okay.
No, he knows, of course.
Yala, baby.
Shoot. Fly. One, go. Tuton. Oh. Go, 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 go.
Baby, when it's go down, you have to continue.
Flaps red, chest, go. Turn. Turn.
Now, he is controlling well. He's doing very good.
Stop,
Oops.
stop.
In here to hit people.
Very good.
Very good.
Now we are
You are controlling very well now.
Wait, I'm controlling there, but the wind.
The wind is too much, yeah.
Now
the
you
wind
start
is too
professional
much.
5.
Okay, very good.
I think it's fun. I saw really a really big bird. I don't know. It's a crow. I don't know. It's
bring
right
it there.
there.
Bring it there. Bring it there. In the middle, Omar. In the middle. Okay. Put it in the middle.
Cut.
It's cut. What is cut? Ah, okay.
Up slowly.
Slowly, yes.
Get
Now
down,
he is
get down, get
controlling.
down, get down.
He is doing very
Oh,
good.
no, slowly, slow.
Okay, great. It's a
Test
great.
Testing.
Yes, doing very well.
I don't know how to do it.
You have to practice only.
Let me try.
Okay.
Wait, let me
Oh, okay, last
Just
one.
wait.
Last one for Izzat. Last one.
3, 2, 1, go.
It's going there because the air is there. So I think it's broken already.
That was a great landing. No, it's not great landing.
It's
Broken?
broke.
Brock?
It's broke.
The same.
No?
That's not broken.
Ah, okay.
No. Give it
Still
this
the
way.
same.
Like we on it.
Wait,
Don't
baby,
on.
don't on. Maybe you will
I
on.
wanna try only.
No, you
No.
cannot.
You will hurt your hand.
Baby, don't, not here. There again. Let's Omar do it. Go out there, Izzat.
Wait,
No need, Izzat. No need, Izzat. Izzat, no need, no need.
Fine. Check.
Okay, Omar.
Yalla, do it.
You try, Omar.
Yalla.
Wow. Wow, Omar, it's good fly. Bring it down, bring it down. Very good. Wow, perfect landing, Omar. He do it very well. Give me 5.
Because I make it middle to other.
Okay.
Yellow, 5.
Middle and then how you
Maybe
do it?
Then I go down.
And then
No, then I found it low.
and then
I go down.
and then what? How you do it? Teach kuya, teach kuya.
Don't need. I don't
Okay, okay. The perfect landing. Now he's teaching his brother. See, he do it. Because you're afraid.
Come.
See, Omar's very good in controlling now. Do it, Omar.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes. Go to the middle. Go to the middle. Oops.
Wow,
Very
very good.
good.
Very good, but steam air.
Yeah, the air, because of the air.
One, Papa, go.
Okay.
Three,
Omar will
2,
try
1,
again.
go.
Oh,
Whoa! It's a, oh my God!
very good.
Okay. Start. Yes.
Go up. Oh,
Good. He's so good. Hold. Down.
Landing well. Wait.
3, 2,
Yalla, go.
1. Go up quickly. Go fly.
in the middle only. Go to the middle
Keep it
only.
in the middle. succeed now.
There is one small car also following the helicopter. Okay.
I need to get
Yala, Izzat.
يلا يلا ميت ميت. Yeah, keep in the middle.
Very good. It's far.
what an amazing thing.
Why didn't put
Hmm.
This is our the two of the wait. This is our the two of our RC car vehicles that we've tested in our video. In the past video, we've tested the Tayo.
Yeah.
Second pass was the monster truck one
Raptor.
or Raptor 4.
Yeah.
Now we're
Helicopter.
testing the third is this new car that we buy in Fan City. And now the most newest thing you've never seen airplanes in our channel.
Helicopter. Yeah, the first time. So how do you rank the helicopter? What we did
The helicopter is crazy.
now, but now you know how to control.
You saw me, I landed my first time.
Yes.
another thickness?
Yeah, he knows now. But unfortunately, the case is broken. But it's not broken. We can replace it. Oh, don't make like that.
Landing.
Yeah.
And
But
then
we
it
can
crashed.
repair it, I think.
The problem,
Everything that is important is the engine still good. This was so long, huh? It's old model.
2,000 years ago.
No, it was 2015 when Izzat was 2 years old. No, Tito Marcial give this. And then we didn't do it because he doesn't know how to use it. So
This
now
was-
only we start
This
using
was
it.
on 2022 when we get it.
Yeah.
Can I make like that?
Yes.
Yeah, you can do it.
أيوة. Do it.
See?
يلا do it.
3, 2, 1.
Okay,
Oh.
very good.
Oh,
Do it عمر يلا.
I cannot.
Try.
Wow. Yeah.
أيوة like that. Try.
You know, look, see? Ah! 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 Fly! Ah! Help me! Ah! Middle. Ah! Oh my God! Ah! See? Drop down.
Let's go
Okay.
to the mountain.
Right.
Go.
Yes, go. Climbing on the hill. Not speed, baby. It's not speed, this one.
Why empty the battery?
No, it's new.
Fly.
Stop.
Little bit high up, little up.
Oh.
The battery is less now. Go up.
Make up.
No, the battery less. Can you fix it?
Make high, huh? Make high.
The battery.
Guys, do you love the testing of our helicopter or this Spider-Man? We've tested long ago. So if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and the like button. I want to know or wish that we will have our merch so everybody can buy it. So bye. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and the like button. Thanks for bye.